cat Habs. He just loves to relax in that massage chair. And then, of course, his sister always come and disturb him. And I love them when they're like together, but sometimes Roxy gets so excited and put her paw on top of the hubs. Enough! Enough, sister! Enough, sister! Get down, sister! Get down! I'm done with you! Stop bothering me! That's what Hub's trying to say. Hub's trying to say that he's done with her. Whew, that was annoying.
Dimples! Dimple!
She's just a very pretty cat. And of course doesn't last long, that's why he's up there, because he doesn't want to be bothered with the two puppies. And look who's coming.
Get down!
Roxy is the brown one, Misty is the black one, and we got them from North Shore in Long Island. And what happened the last time we went visit them to Long Island, they said that they are real sister, like they have the same mother and they're born at the same time. And the funny thing is they don't look alike. They look so different, guys, that is like confuse you. I think Roxy, the brown one, is half German Shepherd, half Golden Retriever. I think because when we got them, they said she is a Newfoundland, a Newfie, but she doesn't look like a Newfie. We know Misty is a Terrier. Her, the black one, she's a Terrier. But can you believe that, guys, that they really are real sisters? It's amazing.
Enough! Roxy, down.
So this is what happened. I give them treats, the two of them. What happened is Roxy's eating hers, and Misty, you know what Misty does? She hide it to the kitchen. And she is going back to take something from her sister. That's what she does. And I told her not to do it because it's not fair. So while Roxy's eating, she just like keep going, trying her best to get it. So she listened to me. That's a good girl. And Roxy moved somewhere, and look what she's going to do. She's going to the other side, and look, Roxy's eating. But she keep trying. And she just keep turning and try to get it. And she sit in front of me and just keep looking at her sister. Misty. Misty. Good girl, Misty. You go eat your bone over there. Misty. Eat your bone over there. Misty is very smart. She is a terrier and she is smart. Every time I give them something, she hide it really good. And then when she's hungry, she is going to find it. Misty? No, don't do that. You get yours. No. So now when Misty eat half of her bone, she's looking for Misty's bone. She go crazy looking for it. She doesn't know that it's in the kitchen. Girl, good girl. I like that. When I told you sit, okay? Good girl, Roxy. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl. Good girl. If you don't know about Misty, Misty is a bone freak lover. She loves bone. Her teeth is very white, like very, very white. Roxy is going crazy looking for a bone. And she is so pissed, guys. Listen to this, guys, if you wanna hear when she is like crazy looking for a bone and she gets so pissed with Misty. I know. I know, baby. I know. Look for it. I know, look for it. Yeah, I know. Go find it. She hide it. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. I know, baby. You go look for it. Go look for it. Where is it? Go find it. Go find it. No. No, sit. Sit. No, sit. Sit. Sit, Roxy. Good girl. Sit, Misty. No, Misty, sit. Good girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time, guys. I'm going to eat this bone first. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a dog lover, please come back and I will keep uploading video with these two pups I have. And yeah, they're very cute. And if you want to come back, you can see, you know, how they grew up and how they live and how spoiled they are and how annoying they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Bye, Rocks. Bye, Roxy Rocks.